Hello everyone, welcome back to Junk Rides and Double Wides. I'm the Sidetrack Behemoth. We're going to try to get that truck, that Supercharged 454 into the shop. We're going to tow it in there with this thing. Alright, let me finish talking. Anyway, if we break it, whatever. It's my father's lawnmower. Turn the key to the... Here you go. If we break it, it's not really that big a deal. I just fixed a zero turn for him, so he's really happy with. Anyway, about to start winching on that truck. Or start towing it, flat towing. That's pretty dark. I don't know if I got the night mode on. Look. Oh, it looks like the flashlight comes on. I'm gonna have to get in here and steer. Hey Max, are we pulling it in backwards? Or are we pulling it straight in forwards? I think we should pull it in forwards.
Yeah, well, I'll get it out on the road there, then I'll spin it on.
All right. Key still in it? Yeah, this is gonna be fun. Sit on the floor. Okay. Window don't open. Oh shit. Maybe. Okay, so it looks like it's that. Oh, hold on. Let me just hold on. Hey. Reverse, neutral. Okay. Go ahead. Go. I closed the door. I can't open it from the inside. I closed the door. I can't open it. I need you to let me out. Huh? I need you to open the door. Let me out. Yeah, because it latched and there's nothing I can.
Oh shit.
It's all. No, what I was saying is that you can go ahead. It's in neutral right now. I better be pushing the brakes. Yeah, keys are in it.
All right, in neutral. All right, here.
Just hold it. I'm gonna try to. It's not gonna be easy to try to hold the camera and steer the steering wheel. I might have to set this down.
Here we go.
Hey Max, are we going out to the main drive? You're gonna pull me all the way around the block that way.
I'm going out right here, then I'm gonna swing it on, hook to the front.
Okay? Got it. Uh-oh. Okay, we're good. Yeah, go ahead. Oh, we should do it. It is in neutral. I might have to help. Oh, there she goes. Oh God, here we go. Oh, I just closed the door. Oh shit. Oh, I'm so excited. This thing's such a pile of junk and I'm so excited for it. What we got here? Boost gauge. Oh. Okay, I open it. Hey, get off you now. Go ahead. Go on, I'm pushing. There she goes. Sort of. Oh, Jesus. power steering. Oh, I hope I don't hit that trailer. I am! Oh. Max!
Holy, how can you move to the right for?
I'm sorry, just keep in mind I'm taking video here too. I'm trying to do 3 things at once.
Put the phone down, you're killing me. Put the phone down, we're going this way. What are you doing?
It's fine, just hook up to the front of me, just pull me back around this way, hook up to the front of me, we'll spin around the parking lot over here.
Alright, whatever. Crazy bastard.
I'm just so excited about this. This is gonna be a fun project. Cylinder head temperature. It was like that scene from Fast and the Furious when hey, spinning the tires a little bit. All right, anyway, it was like that scene from Fast and the Furious. What the fuck is he doing? I gotta stay here because it's still in neutral. I don't want to roll away on us. Anyway, as I was saying, it was like that scene from Fast and the Furious when Paul Walker rolls up with the Toyota 2JZ under the hood. He's like, "This is your car. Yeah, maybe we could tow it across the finish line." Anyway, he's like, "Pop the hood." They had a change of heart once once they saw the 2JZ under the hood. Oh God, that's terrible. Brakes are down. Oh yeah, anyway, the supercharger, the Whipple under here, the twin screw, real efficient design. I think what we're gonna end up doing with it is this 454, we're gonna take it off of this, probably put it on an LS block, and then we can tune it with HP tuners. I think you might be able to tune this one with the 454 with HP tuners as well, but we're gonna go old school with this one. I think we're gonna put a Holley Sniper EFI system on it, and you know, that 91 GMC that I'm telling you about, putting the 454 in there, as well as a Y-end, you know, old school Roots supercharger. Putting that on there, big buzzard catcher sticking out of the hood. Should catch a lot of people's eyes. All right, I wasn't too smart about this, and ended up. Oh God, come on, turn. Wish I could turn the light off. Shit. I gotta turn this off. Okay, there we go. Oh God, it was rolling towards him. I gotta pay attention. If I kill him trying to make a video. Oh. There he goes. I must have came disconnected. Bye, Max. Where are you going? What's he doing? Come back. All right, I guess I gotta walk back to the shop and figure out why the hell he's left me here. All right, she's in park. Strap came off back here, it looks like. Turn the light back on. A ratchet strap. Yeah, can't even afford a tow strap just yet. probably grabbing a pickup. $8,000, I think, is about what those run brand new. Oh my God, it looks like a piece of junk to the untrained observer, but oh my God, I am so excited. Yeah, I think we'll have this powertrain pulled out in about a week, maybe less. I'm gonna be dump trucking on Tuesday. Oh my God, I'm excited. Like a giddy little schoolgirl. Yeah, I'll bet you that's what he's doing. He's grabbing a truck. Yep, there it is. Huh? I know I was paying more attention to the video. I noticed just in time and slammed on the brakes. Then you just drove off and then I got scared. I was just like, what?
Jesus, you're gonna kill me, man.
Do you know, hey, how much you been drinking this evening?
I don't know.
Oh God, Max is a character. All right, let's gonna get her hooked up here and drag her back around. Huh? Well, I'll chat with them if they are.
Yeah, dude, the fucking pin fell right off. I almost hit my head. It got stuck in the
Yeah,
wheel.
sorry about that. I can't see very well sitting on the floor. I just took her to the bumper. And hope it stays there. I'll keep some pressure on it this time since you're pulling with a truck now.
Well, not so bad. I was going downhill though, you know.
Yeah. Sounds good. All right, let me close up the hood. Yeah. I think that is the police. Oh, that's just a van. I don't know who that person is, but probably, you know, Max for not making friends again. Oh! Put her freaking... I forgot to put her in neutral. We should, I think the agreement was with the city that we shouldn't be doing this at night. And, you know, I kind of feel bad. She probably was taking pictures of us. I'm gonna have to apologize to her. Maybe go over and give her $100 or something for, you know, causing her problems, whatever. But, anyway, coming around the, coming around the brakes. Coming around the west side of the shop here. We're gonna put her in that bay right there. Video's getting kind of long. Camera just
people in the van, that was a neighbor.